Question number 301. In an unsymmetrical beam, the maximum compressive stress at top was measured as 1200 kg per centimeter square and the maximum tensile stress at bottom was 300 kg per centimeter square. If the beam is 3 centimeter deep, the natural axis from top will be at option A is a 6 centimeter, option B is a 4 centimeter, option C is a 2 centimeter, option D is a 6.4 centimeter, and option E is 3.2 centimeter. So correct answer is D, it will be 6.4 centimeter. Question number 302. The steel bars in a concrete beam are embedded. Option A uniformly, option B is a near bottom section, option C is a in the center, option D is a near top section, and option E is anywhere. Correct answer is B, it will be near bottom section. Question number 303. The point on a beam where shearing force changes sign is known as the point of option A is a zero shear, option B is a uniform strength, option C is a no load, option D is a neutrality, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is E, it's none of the above. Question number 304. The point of contraflexure is a point where option A shear force is 0, option B is a shear force changes sign, and option C is a bending moment changes sign, and option D is a bending moment is maximum, and option E is a beam is liable to break. Correct answer is a C, it will be bending moment changes sign. Question number 305. A cantilever beam is deflected by D due to load P if load is doubled, then deflection compared to earlier case will be changed by a factor of option A is 2, option B is 1/2, option C is 1/8, option D is 8, option E is 4. Correct answer is 8, will be factor of 2. Question number 306. The maximum shear stress in Mohar circle will act at following angle to the principal plane. Option A is 0 degree, option B is 30 degree, option C is 45 degree, option D is 60 degree, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is E, it will be none of the above. Question number 307. A cantilever beam is deflected by D due to load P. If beam depth is double, then deflection compared to earlier case will be changed by a factor of option A is 2, option B is half, option C is 1/8, option D is 8, and option E is 4. Correct answer is C, it will be 1/8. Question number 308. A cantilever beam is deflected by D due to load P if beam width is double, then deflection compared to earlier case will be changed by a factor of option A is 2, option B is half, option C is 1/8, option D is 8, and option E is 4. Correct answer is B, it will be 1/2. Question number 309. A cantilever beam is deflected by D due to load P. If length of beam is doubled, then deflection compared to earlier case will be changed by a factor of option A is 2, option B is half, option C is 1/8, option D is 8, and option E is 4. Correct answer is D, it will be 8. Question number 310. Moment of inertia of a square of side D about the diagonal is option A, d power 4 divided by 12, option B, d power 4 divided by 24, option C, d power 4 divided by 18, and option D is d power 4 divided by 8, and option E is d power 4 divided by 16. Correct answer is 8 will be d power 4 divided by 12. Question number 311. Principal plane is one which carries option A, no shear stress, option B, maximum shear stress, option C is no normal stress, option D, maximum resultant of stresses, and option E is no resultant of stresses. Correct answer is A, it has no any shear stress. Question number 312. For biaxial stress of maximum shear stress occurs on plane inclined at a following angle to the principal normal plane. Option A is a 90 degree, option B is a 45 degree, option C is a 145 degree, option D is a 135 degree, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B, it will be 45 degree. Question number 313. On the planes having maximum or minimum principal stresses, the tangential stress will be option A, minimum, option B is maximum, option C is 0, option D is infinity, option E is some value depend on magnitude of two stresses. So correct answer is C, it will be 0. Question number 314. Maximum shear stress in a Mohar circle is option A, equal to radius of Mohar circle, option B, greater than radius of Mohar circle, option C, less than the radius of Mohar circle, option D, could be any of the above, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, equal to radius of Mohar circles. Question number 315. The normal stress on an oblique section of a body subjected to a direct stress sigma in one plane, if theta be the inclination of the oblique section with normal to the stress, is equal to option A, sigma cos theta, option B, sigma square cos theta, option C, sigma by 2 cos theta, option D, sigma cos 2 theta, option E is 2 cos square theta. Correct answer is A, it will be sigma cos square theta. Question number 316. If a principal plane be subjected maximum principal stress, then shear stress on this plane will be option A, 0, option B, maximum, option C is minimum, option D is infinity, option E is any value. Correct answer is A, it will be 0. Question number 317. In Mohar's circle, radius is taken as option A, under root of in the small bracket sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus the small bracket tau subscript xy square, tau subscript xy whole square, and option B is a sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2. Option C is under root of in the small bracket sigma x minus sigma y whole square plus tau xy whole square, and option D is under root of sigma x minus sigma y whole square divided by 2 plus tau xy whole square, and option E is under root of sigma x minus sigma y square divided by 2 minus tau xy whole square. So correct answer is A, it will be under root the small bracket sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus tau xy whole square. Question number 318. If a prismatic bar is subjected to direct tensile stress sigma x and sigma y on two perpendicular face and shear stress to xy, then stress normal to plane inclined at theta to vertical is option A sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 cos 2 theta minus 2 xy sin 2 theta. Option B is a sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 sin 2 theta plus 2xy cos 2 theta. Option C is a sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus 2xy square. Option D is a sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 minus under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus 2xy square. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It will be sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 cos 2 theta minus 2xy sin 2 theta. Question number 319. The stress along the plane in above case is option A sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 cos 2 theta minus 2xy sin 2 theta. Option B sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 sin 2 theta plus 2xy cos 2 theta. Option C is a sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus under root of x minus under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus 2xy square. And option D is sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 minus under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus 2xy square. And option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. It will be sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 sin 2 theta plus 2xy cos 2 theta. Question number 320. The maximum principal stress in above case is option A sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 cos 2 theta minus 2xy sin 2 theta. Option B sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 sin 2 theta plus 2xy cos 2 theta. Option C is sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus 2xy square. And option D is sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 minus under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus 2xy square. And option E is none of the above. Correct answer is option C. It will be sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus 2xy square. Question number 321. Okay, the all option is similar. So in the question 321, the minimum principal stress in the above case is, okay, I am not reading these all options and correct because the all options are similar to the above question. Correct answer is D. It will be sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 minus under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus 2xy square. Okay, question number 322. The principal stress in the above case occur at angle of option A 10 minus 1 and in the small bracket minus 2 to xy divided by sigma x minus sigma y. Option B half 10 minus 10 power minus 1 in the small bracket minus 2 to xy. in the small bracket sigma x minus sigma y, and option C is a half 10 power minus 1 in the small bracket 2x minus sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 tau xy, and option D is a half 10 inverse minus 10 power minus 1 and in the small bracket minus 2 tau xy divided by 2 sigma x plus sigma y, and option E is a half 10 inverse minus 1 and in the small bracket minus tau xy divided by sigma x and minus sigma y. So here correct answer is A. It will be 10 inverse minus 1 in the small bracket minus 2 tau xy divided by sigma x minus sigma y. Question number 323. In above case, planes of maximum shear are located at following angle to each other. Option A is 90 degree, option B is 30 degree, option C is 45 degree, option D is 60 degree, and option E is 0 degree. Correct answer is A. It will be 90 degree. Question number 324. In above case, the planes of maximum shear are inclined at following angle to the principal planes. Option A is a 0 degree, option B is 30 degree, option C is a 45 degree, and option D is a 60 degree, option E is a 90 degree. So correct answer is a C. It will be 45 degree. Question number 325. Maximum shear stress in Mohar circle is equal to option A radius of circle, option B is the diameter of circle, option C is the center of circle from y-axis, and option D is a chord of circle, option E is a none of the above. Correct answer is A. It will be radius of circle. Question number 326. Maximum shear stress in a body subjected to two perpendicular stresses sigma x and sigma y, and shear stress tau xy is equal to option A under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus tau xy square, option B sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2, option C is under root of sigma x minus sigma y whole square plus 2xy square, option D under root of sigma x minus sigma y square divided by 2 plus 2xy square, option E is under root of sigma x minus sigma y square divided by 2 minus tau xy square. Correct answer is A. It will be under root of sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 whole square plus tau subscript xy square. Question number 327. If sigma 1 and sigma 2 be the major and minor tensile stresses, then maximum value of tangential stress is equal to option A is a sigma 1, option B is sigma 2, option C sigma 1 minus sigma 2, option D is a sigma 1 plus sigma 2, and option E is a sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Correct answer is a E. It will be sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Question number 328. If a prismatic bar be subjected to an axial tensile stress sigma, then the shear stress induced on a plane inclined at angle theta with the axis will be option A sigma half sine square theta, option B sigma half sine 2 theta, option C sigma sine square theta, option D sigma cos square theta, and option E sigma half cos square theta. Correct answer is B, it will be sigma half sine 2 theta. Question number 329. In Mohar's circle, center of circle from y-axis is taken at option A x sigma x plus sigma y, option B sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus 2xy, option C sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2, option D sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2, option E is a sigma x plus sigma y divided by 4. Correct answer is a C, it will be sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2. Question number 330. Shear stress on mutually perpendicular planes are, option A is a 0, option B is a minimum, option C is a maximum, option D is equal, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D, it will be equal. Question number 331. If one principal stress be 0 at a point, then other principal stress compared to the maximum shear stress at that point will be. Option A is a same, option B is a twice, option C is a 1.5, and option D is a 2.5, and option E is a half. Correct answer is a D, it will be 2 into half. Question number 332. The shear stress along the principal plane subjected to maximum principal stress is, option A is a minimum, option B is a maximum, option C is a 0, option D is any value depending on loading conditions, and option E is a negative. Correct answer is a C, it will be 0. Question number 333. Mohar's circle is used to determine the stresses on an oblique section of a body subjected to, option A direct stresses in two mutually perpendicular directions, and option B a direct stress in one plane along with a simple shear stress, option C direct stresses in a two mutually perpendicular directions and accompanied by a simple shear stress, option D is all of the above, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D, it will be all of the above. Question number 334. The planes of minimum shear stress with reference to principal planes are located at, option A 0 degree, option B is a 22.5 degree, option C is a 45 degree, option D is a 90 degree, option E is a 135 degree. Correct answer is a C, it will be 45 degree. Question number 335. The normal stress on the planes of minimum stress in the case of plane stress problem will be, option A 0, option B is maximum, option C is a half. The difference of the two mutually perpendicular stresses, and option D is a principal stresses, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it will be 0. Question number 336. The extremities of any diameter of Mohar's circle represents, option A principal stresses, and option B is normal stresses, on plane at 45 degree. Option C, shear stresses on planes at 45 degree, and option D is normal and shear stresses on a plane, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. Mohar circle represent normal stresses on planes at 45 degree. Question number 337. The normal stresses on planes of maximum shear stresses in the case of plane stress problems will be option A, sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by 2, sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Option B, sigma 1 half and sigma 2 half. I mean sigma 1 divided by 2 and sigma 2 divided by 2. And option C is a 0, option D is sigma 1 and sigma 2, and option E is a principal stresses. Correct answer is A. It will be sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by 2 and sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Question number 338. In a case of a pure shear at a point, the sum of normal stresses on two orthogonal planes is equal to option A is the maximum shear stress, option B twice the maximum shear stress, option C half the maximum shear stress, option D 0, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. It will be 0. Question number 339. The principal stress in the case of a pure shear will be equal in magnitude. Option A. Similar in nature. Option B. But opposite in nature, and option C is to half the maximum shear stress at similar in nature, and option D is to half the maximum shear stress but opposite in nature, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It will be similar in nature. Question number 340. 10 cubical blocks of size 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter are held together by a horizontal force of 50 kg to form a beam. What is the greatest force P that could act vertically at the mid-span? Weight of bricks may be neglected. Option A is 50 kg, option B is 10 kg, option C is 5 kg, option D is 3.34 kg, and option E is 6.68 kg. So correct answer is D. It will be 3.34 kg. Question number 341. Two loads P act at right angles to one another at the free end of a cantilever beam, having square cross section D into D and length L on the vertical and horizontal faces. Maximum bending stress in the beam will be equal to, option A is 12 PL divided by D cube, option B 24 PL divided by D cube, option C 6 PL divided by D cube, option D 18 PL divided by D cube, option E 3 PL divided by D cube. Correct answer is C. It will be 6 PL divided by D cube. Question number 342. In a filled weld, the maximum load that can be applied is equal to, option A permissible shearing stress S subscript S into fillet size into fillet length, option B 0.707 S subscript S into fillet size into L, Option C is a S subscript S into fillet size into capital L divided by 2, and option D is a 2 into S subscript S into fillet size into capital L, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is a B. It will be 0.707 into S subscript S into fillet size and into capital L. Question number 343. For a centrically loaded struts, option A, solid members are preferred. Option B, hollow members are preferred. Option C, both are equally good. Option D, reinforced members are preferred, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. It will be hollow members are preferred. Question number 344. In a centrically loaded members, a natural axis can be drawn by joining the points which represents the greatest permissible eccentricity in each coordinate direction. By symmetry, 4 natural axes exist in the section. These lines from the boundaries of a core known as kern, and compressive forces acting within the kern of section. Option A is cannot produce tensile stress. Option B will sometimes produce tensile stress, and option C will always produce tensile stresses, and option D is R0, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It will be cannot produce tensile stresses. Question number 345. The ratio of maximum shear stress and average shear and average stress in a circular section is option A is 1, option B is 1.25, option C is 1.5, option D is 4/3, and option E is 2. Correct answer is D. It will be 4/3. Question number 346. The stress at the boundary of the cone is option A maximum, option B is a minimum, option C is 0, option D is any value, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C. It will be 0. Question number 347. Kern of a circular section of diameter capital D is a concentric circular area having a diameter of option A d/4, option B d/2, option C is d/8, option D is 3d/8, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It will be d/4. Question number 348. The minimum limiting load at which the column tend to have lateral displacement is known as option A critical load, option B is a crippling load, option C is a buckling load, option D is any of the above, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. It will be any one of the above. Question number 349. A tower is to be designed to have the same compressive stress at all sections under a load and its own weight. Its cross section should be of shape option A uniform, option B is a taper, option C is a parabolic, option D is a hyperbolic, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C. It will be parabolic. Question number 350. The slenderness ratio for long columns is option A less than 32, option B is 50, range 60, and option C is 80 under 100, and option D is less than 120, and option E is more than 120. Correct answer is E is more than 120. Question number 351. For keeping the stress wholly compressive, the load may be applied on a circular column of diameter d anywhere within a concentric circle of following diameter. Option A is d by 2, option B is d by 3, option C is d by 4, option D is d by 8, option E is d by 10. Correct answer is C, it will be d by 4. Question number 352. The slenderness ratio of a vertical column of a square cross section of 2.5 cm on edge and 3 meter long is option A is 100, option A is 120, option B is 240, option C is 416, option D is 550, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C, it will be 416. Question number 353. Question number 353. If the slenderness ratio of a column is less than 32 is known as option A short column, option B is a medium column, option C is a long column, option D is extra long column, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it will be short column. Question number 354. The equivalent length of a column supported firmly at both ends is option A is a 2L, option B is a 0.7L, option C is L, option D is a 0.5L, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D, it will be 0.5L. Question number 355. The equivalent length of a column supported firmly at one end and free at other end is option A is a 2L, option B is a 0.7L, option C is a L, option D is a 0.5L, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it will be 2L. Question number 356. A cantilever carrying a uniform distributed load W kg per unit length is propelled at its free end. The reaction at the prop will be option A WL, option B WL divided by 2, option C WL divided by 8, option D 3 WL divided by 8, and option E is 5 WL divided by 8. So correct answer is D, it will be 3 WL divided by 8. Question number 357. In the above problem, if probe is installed in the middle, then reaction at the probe will be option A WL, option B WL divided by 2, option C WL divided by 8, option D 3 WL divided by 8, and option E is 5 WL divided by 8. Correct answer is E, it will be 5 WL divided by 8. Question number 358. A certain high tensile strength steel has a modulus of elasticity of 2 into 10 the power 6 kg per centimeter square and a yield point stress of 6000 kg per centimeter square. Find the minimum limiting value of the slenderness ratio for which Euler's equation is valid. Option A is 99, option B is 80, option C is 75, option D is 57, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D, it will be 57. Question number 359. The extension of a uniform bar produced by its own weight as compared to that produced by the load equal to self weight of bar applied at free end is. Option A is the same, option B is a half, option C is a 1/4, option D is double, option E is a 4 times. Correct answer is B, it will be half. Question number 360. Three beams have the same length, the same allowable stress and the beam bending moment. The cross section of the beam are a circle, a square and a rectangle with depth twice the width. Weight-wise based section in order of merit will be. Option A circle, square, rectangle, option B rectangle, square, circle, option C square, circle, rectangle, option D rectangle, circle, square, option E square, rectangle, circle. Correct answer is B, it will be rectangle, square and circle. Question number 361. A beam of uniform strength is one in which option A bending moment is the same throughout the beam, option B deflection is the same throughout the length, and option C is bending stress is the same in every section along the longitudinal axis. Option D is a shear stress is a uniform throughout the beam, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C. The bending stress is the same in every section along the longitudinal axis. Question number 362. In a beam of uniform strength, if depth is kept constant, then its width varies in proportion to the option A bending moment m, option B m square, option C is under root m, option D is 1 upon m, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it will be bending moment m. Question number 363. Strain rosettes are used. Strain rosettes are used to option A produce strain for testing purpose, option B relieve strain in heavy loaded components, option C measure strains, option D analyze property of materials, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer C, it's use measure strain. Question number 364. Damping capacity of a material is its ability to option A absorb shock, option B absorb vibrations, option C withstand compression, option D absorb impact loads, and option E is withstand creep failures. Correct answer is B, it will be absorb vibrations. Question number 365. Each section of a closed coiled helical spring is subjected to option A tensile stress and shear stress due to load, option B compressive stress and shear stress due to torque, option C tensile and compressive stresses, and option D tensile stress and shear stress due to torque, and option E, shear stress due to torque and direct stress due to load. So correct answer is E. It will be shear stress due to torque and direct stress due to load. Question number 366. Disruptive strength is the maximum strength of a metal. Option A, when subjected to three principal tensile stresses at right angle to one another and all the equal magnitude. Option B, when loaded in tension, and option C is when loaded in compression. Option D is when loaded in shear, and option E is all of the above. Correct answer is A. It's when subjected to three principal tensile stresses at right angle to one another and all of equal magnitude. Question number 367. Dilatometer is an instrument used for measuring, option A, strain, option B, expansion, contraction due to change in a temperature, option C is a stress, and option D is damping capacity, option E is vibrations. Correct answer is B. It's a use in expansion, contraction due to change in temperature. Question number 368. Flow stress is, option A, the shear stress required to cause plastic deformation of the solid material. Option B is concerned with liquid, and option C is corresponding to breaking point, and option D is there is a nothing like flow stress, and option E is a use in connection with acceptance tests of materials. So correct answer is A. It will be the shear stress required to cause a plastic deformation of the solid material. Question number 369. Proof stress is, option A is the safest stress, and option B is that which will cause a specified permanent deformation in a material, usually 0.01% or less. Option C is used in connection with materials like mild steel. Option D does not exist, and option E is used in connection with acceptance test for the materials. Correct answer is B. It will be is that which will use a specified permanent deformation in a material used 0.01% or less. Question number 370. Rupture stress is, option A is a breaking stress, option B the stress obtained by dividing the load at the moment of incipient fracture by the area supporting that load, and option C is never allowed to reach in members, and option D is the highest stress in a test, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. Question number 371. Maximum deflection in a cantilever due to pure bending moment M at its end is, option A is ml square divided by 2EI, option B is ml square divided by 3EI, option C is ml square divided by 4EI, and option D is ml square divided by 6EI, and option E is ml square divided by 8EI. Correct answer is A. It's ml square divided by 2EI. Question number 372. If A1 and A2 be area of shear force diagram and bending moment diagram respectively over the portion of the beam, then the change of slope over any portion of a loaded beam is equal to option A, A1 divided by EI, option B, A2 divided by EI, option C, A1 minus A2 divided by EI, option D, A1 plus A2 divided by EI, and option E is A1 into A2 divided by EI. Correct answer is E. It will be A1 into A2 divided by EI. Question number 373. Maximum deflection in a beam supported freely at both ends due to central load P at middle is option A, PL cube divided by 48 EI, option B, PL cube divided by 32 EI, and option C is PL cube divided by 96 EI, option D, PL cube divided by 64 EI. Option E is a PL cube divided by 128 EI. Correct answer is A. It will be PL cube divided by 48 EI. Question number 374. Maximum deflection an cantilever beam of length L carrying a load P at its end will be option A, PL cube divided by 3 EI, option B, PL square divided by 8 EI, option C, PL cube divided by 32 EI, option D, PL cube divided by 64 EI, and option E is PL cube divided by 128 EI. Correct answer is A. It will be PL cube divided by 3 EI. Question number 375. Maximum slope in a case of a cantilever of length L carrying a load P at its end will be option A, PL square divided by EI, option B, PL square divided by 2 EI, option C, PL square divided by 3 EI, and option D, PL square divided by 4 EI, and option E is PL square divided by 6 EI. Correct answer is a B. It will be PL square divided by 2 EI. Question number 376. Maximum deflection in a case of cantilever beam carrying uniformly distributed load W per unit length will be option A, WL power 4 divided by EI, option B, WL power 4 divided by 8 EI, option C, WL 4 divided by 4 EI, and option D is a 5 divided by 64 into WL power 4 divided by 4 EI, and option E is a 5 divided by 384 into WL power 4 divided by EI. Correct answer is a B. It will be WL power 4 and divided by 8 EI. Question number 377. These are load carrying members which carry option A torsional loads, option B axial compressive loads, and option C is the axial tension loads, and option D is the transverse loads, and option E is the vertical compression loads. Correct answer is a C. They carry axial tension loads. Question number 378. For a given material, Young's modulus E is a 200 Gn per meter square, and option Gn per meter square, and modulus of rigidity G is equal to 80 Gn per meter square. Its a bulk modulus K will be option A, 100 Gn per meter square, option B, 133.33 Gn per meter square, option C is a 200 Gn per meter square, and option D is a 250 Gn per meter square, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. It will be 133.33 Gn per meter square. Question number 379. For above question, the value of Poisson's ratio will be option A 0.15, option B 0.2, option C is a 0.25, option D 0.3, option E is a 0.35. Correct answer is a C. It will be 0.25. Question number 380. The extension of a circular tapering rod having diameter D1 and D2 at its two ends and subjected to axial pull P as compared to a circular bar of diameter under root of D1 D2 and subjected to pull P will be option A is more, option B is less, option C is equal, option D is depends on other parameters, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C. It will be equal. Question number 381. The extension of uniform bar by its own weight as compared to a bar loaded by same weight at the free end will be option A same, option B half, option C is a 1/4, and option D is a 1/3, and option E is a 3/4. Correct answer is a B. It will be half. Question number 382. If the compressive stress in a tower due to a load and its own weight is to be constant at all sections, then its a cross section at various sections should be of option A uniform shape, option B tapering shape, option C parabolic shape, option D hyperbolic shape, and option E is some other shape. Correct answer is E. It will be in some other shape. Question number 383. If D be the diameter of coil of a closed coiled helical spring and total angle of twist in full length be theta, then deflection of spring is equal to option A d theta, option B d theta divided by 2, option C 2d theta, option D d theta square, and option E is a d square theta divided by 2. Correct answer is a B. It will be d theta divided by 2. Question number 384. Instantaneous stress produced by following weight on a bar as compared to gradually applied load is option A is 2 times, option B is between 1 and 2 times depending on height of fall, and option C is more than 2 times, option D is more than 10 times, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is E. It will be none of the above. Question number 385. If the areas of cross section of square and circular beams are same and both are subjected to equal bending moment, then which of the following is correct? Option A. The circular beam is a more economical, option B. The square beam is a more economical, option C is both the beams are equally strong, option D both the beams are equally economical, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. Square beam is more economical. Question number 386. The ratio of central deflection due to a central load in the case of a beam freely supported at both ends to the beam fixed at both ends will be option A half, option B 2, option C 1/4, option D is a 4, and option E is a none of the above. Correct answer is a D, it will be 4. Question number 387. There are two bars of equal length and equal volume and same material, one having stepped diameter and the other having uniform diameter. If maximum stress produced in both bars is a same, then stored energy both bars is the same, then stored energy will be option A more in a stepped diameter of shaft, option B more in a uniform diameter shaft, and option C is equal in both. Option D is would depend on other factors, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B, it will be more in uniform diameter shaft. Question number 388. In above bars, if gradually applied load is the same, then the stored energy will be option A more in a stepped diameter shaft, option B more in uniform diameter shaft, option C equal in both, option D would depend on the other factors, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, it's more in stepped diameter shaft. Question number 389. A direct tensile stress on a specimen will induce the following shear stress on a plane inclined at 45 degrees to its own plane. Option A same as a tensile stress, option B half of tensile stress, option C 0, option D is 2 times the tensile stress, and option E is depends on other parameters. Correct answer is B half of tensile stress. Question number 390. Sum of normal stresses on any two mutually perpendicular planes as compared to sum of stresses Sx and Sy is option A is the same, option B is more, option C is less, option D is depends on other conditions, and option E is could be anything. Correct answer is A, it will be same. Question number 391. Three beams of circular square rectangular depth is equal to twice the width. Section and of same length are subjected to same bending moment. If the allowable stress is the same, then least weight of same material will be required for option A circular section, option B is a square section, option C is a rectangular section, option D is a more data are required to determine same, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C, it will be rectangular. Question number 392. When a beam is subjected to a transverse shearing force, the shear stress in the upper fiber will be option A is maximum, option B is minimum, option C is 0, option D is depends on other data, option C is 0, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer C, it will be 0. Question number 393. The central deflection in a fixed beam it's that supported firmly at both ends and loaded in the center compared to freely supported beam will be option A same, option B is a double, and option B is double, option C is one half, and option D is 1/4, and option E is 1/8. So correct answer is D, it will be 1/4. The central deflection in a fixed beam is that supported firmly at both ends and added in the center, compared to a freely supported beam will be 1/4. Question number 394. In a fixed beam, it's that firmly supported at both ends with a uniformly distributed load. The location of a zero bending moment from either end will be at option A 0, option B L/8, option C L/4, option D is L/3, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is E, it will be none of the above. Question number 395. A continuous beam is one which is option A infinitely long, option B is supported at two places, and option C is supported at one point, and option D is supported at more than two supports, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer D, it will be supported at more than two supports. Question number 396. For a simply supported beam having a load at the center, the bending moment will be option A minimum at support, option B minimum at the center, option C maximum at the supports, and option D minimum and maximum could be anywhere along the length. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer A, it will be minimum at support. Question number 397. Bending moment in the center of a beam of length L firmly supported at both ends and having a central load of W is option A W dot L, option B WL divided by 2, option C is WL divided by 4, option D is WL divided by 8, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer D, it will be WL divided by 8. Question number 398. When a number of loads rest upon a beam, the deflection at any point is equal to the sum of the deflections at this point due to each of the loads taken separately. This is considered to option A Castiglione's theorem, option B principle of least work, option C Maxwell theorem, option D theory of flexure, and option is moment shear relation. Correct answer C, it will be Maxwell's theorem. Question number 399. The ratio of hoop stress to longitudinal stress in thin-walled cylinders is option A is 1, option B is half, option C is 2, option D is 1/4, option E is 4. Correct answer C, it will be 2. Question number 400. The deflection at the point of application of an external force acting on a beam is equal to the partial derivatives of the work of deformation with respect to this force. This is according to option A Castiglione's theorem, option B principle of least work, option C Maxwell's theorem, option D theory of flexure, option E is moment shear relation. Correct answer A, it's Castiglione's theorem.